Hey guys, welcome back. So I will be showing you what I took along with me to this trip to a water park that I took with my school friends. So we went to the Navla to Wet Enjoy and that stuff, but I will be showing you what I took along with me in case you all are going, so you won't forget anything because I'm such a good packer. So this is the bag that I took along with me. I love this bag because it's so big. It can carry everything that I need, all of my essentials. And it has a lot of pockets, guys. If you're a girl, you know, we don't really have a lot of pockets. But yeah, so first things first, we've got sour candy. So I have motion sickness, okay? So whenever I'm going for a long drive or I'm traveling in a bus or a car, I always feel so suffocated, like I have to vomit and kind of dizzy. So anything sour will help me, okay? This was kind of useless because this is more sweet than sour, but it's very cool. Even though it did not help, it's very cool. My best friend Sarah and I, we were so surprised. So it's not coming out right now, but it's like a tape, okay? So it's very cool. And then we've got Chupa Chups. I think all of us have tried this. Very important. Next, we've got our bamboo towel. Now, I ordered this from Amazon like a few days before my trip, and this is so good. If you guys need the link, let me know, okay? This is 100% recommended, not sponsored. So I wanted it in pink color, but then it was unavailable, so I had to go with this. But it's so good. Next, we've got a swimsuit. Nothing interesting. So I wore this 3-piece swimsuit. I could have gone for 2, like a t-shirt and shorts, but I also went for a skirt, so it looked very cool. You can try it as well. It's on Myntra. And then I have my shades. Very important, guys. You need to protect your eyes from all of that heat. So don't forget your shades. Next, we've got our toiletries bag, which is again very important. I know I'm saying everything is important, but it is, guys. Do not forget any of this. So first of all, we've got Sol de Janeiro perfume. This is number 59. It's very good. It smells like vanilla. You should definitely try it if you haven't already. Next, we have again something very important, sunscreen, because we do not want to get tanned, right? So first of all, we have 52 Sundays. It's a spray sunscreen, okay, and it feels like rose water on your skin. Very light, very good. And then because I was trying it for the first time, I didn't know if I could completely trust it. So that's why I also took my Bioderma sunscreen that I stole from my mom. Anyway, so I had layered both of them on my skin because we do not want to get tan. And my mom is giving me a side eye, but it's okay. Next we have, oh yes, very important. Again, be safe, because if you're a girl, you know, unless you want to get infection, which you don't, you should carry this with you. So I don't need to explain why. Next we have, oh yeah,
Very important.
very important. If you're from a middle class family, you know where this is from, right? Leak ho gaya, but it's okay. You guys know ये hotel का है. So my dad travels a lot and he carries this stuff with him, okay? So we've got body lotion, shampoo and conditioner. I was kind of sad when I didn't find any body wash over there. So I had to put this in, again, middle class things. Jam wala jar. So we cleaned it, we washed it, and then we refilled it with body wash. Now my body wash has salicylic acid, so it's good for your skin and body, so I can use it both ways. I'm very smart. Next, yeah, we've got our lip oil, and then we have moisturizer, which was पहले conditioner, but then हमने पूरा यूज कर दिया उसे एकदम खाली वॉश करके, then we refilled it with moisturizer. Very smart again. Next, we have a water bottle. Now,
Very important.
very important. a water bottle now. I know this is not allowed inside the water park, but because we were traveling for a really long time, it took us total 8 hours of traveling to reach there and come back here. So
Very important water.
very important water bottle. You do not want to get dehydrated, but at the same time you don't want to drink a lot of water because washroom नहीं मिलते यार बीच रास्ते में. And yeah, that's about it. Lastly, don't forget your memories. Get a hard copy, guys. I know it's expensive, but do get a hard copy. So this is my best friend Sarah, who was also surprised about that sour candy, if you guys remember. I love Sarah, guys. Shout out to Sarah. So yes, do get this. And I have another one which is now in my memory box. Too lazy to take it out. But yes, that was it. If you liked it, don't forget to like.
And half kg pasta.
Oh yes, have to give my mom some credit for making this amazing pasta that lasted me all day. Imagine I had it for breakfast, and while going back home I had it for dinner. So
Cold coffee.
anyway guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, and yeah, that was it. Thank you.
1 hour later.
Guys, I'm literally so excited that finally summers are चुकी है. And yeah, if you think I have missed anything in that bag, जो कि मुझे नहीं लगता because I clearly overpacked, but if I did any essential, do comment down below, so I will make sure next time. And yeah, I'm really excited for summers, and a lot of summer content will be coming. It's on its way, so yeah. Thank you for watching.